how to enable anonymous post on a Facebook group. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to enable the anonymous posting feature on your Facebook group? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. From the navigation bar, select Groups. If you don't see it in the default list, tap See More to find it. Under Groups You Manage section, you will find all the groups that you have created. Select the group where you want to enable anonymous posting feature. Tap on the shield icon at the top. Scroll down to the end. Under Settings section, you will find the option for Group Settings. Tap on it. Scroll further down until you find the Manage Discussion section. Here, you will see the anonymous posting option, which is currently turned off. To enable it, tap on Anonymous Posting. At the top, you will find details about the anonymous post feature. Make sure to read it thoroughly. Below that, toggle the button next to the text that says people can submit anonymous post in this group. Now anonymous posting is turned on. After enabling anonymous posting, another option appears. Anonymous post and post edits will be reviewed and approved by admins or moderators before they are published. You can enable this if you want to approve anonymous posts before they go live in the group. Finally, tap the Save button to apply the changes. Let's verify if the feature is actually activated. Tap the back arrow 2 times to return to your Facebook group. As you can see, the option for anonymous post is now available in your Facebook group, allowing members to post anonymously. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled anonymous post on your Facebook group. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.